Introducing the GPU-accelerated, AI-powered, hyper-realistic smart render engine, Airen 4D. The engine adds intricate details, lighting effects, and realistic textures, transforming the scene dramatically, while it's all accessible through a user-friendly interface, making complex rendering tasks simple and enjoyable. Speed and efficiency at your fingertips. What used to take hours is now rendered in seconds without compromising quality. The user has the remarkable ability to utilize identical geometric structures while altering the input prompts, thereby unlocking a spectrum of vastly distinct outcomes. This flexibility to modify prompts transforms the same foundational geometry into a canvas of limitless creative potential. Each adjustment in the prompt opens a new avenue of artistic exploration, ensuring that every piece generated is a distinct expression of individual creativity. The power of simple prompt alterations lies in their capacity to continuously reinvent the visual narrative, rendering each creation singularly unique and a true reflection of the user's vision. The Airen 4D boasts an advanced capability to intuitively interpret the user's geometry, functioning effectively even in the absence of specific prompts. This intelligent understanding of spatial structures streamlines the visualization process, allowing the engine to operate with a high degree of autonomy and accuracy. Its sophisticated algorithms analyze and comprehend the intricacies of the 3D models, adapting to various geometrical forms with ease. This level of smart interaction not only enhances the efficiency of the rendering process, but also significantly reduces the time investment required by the user. The engine's ability to autonomously generate detailed and accurate visual representations marks a leap forward in rendering technology, offering users a powerful tool that simplifies and accelerates the creative workflow. Support the development by pre-ordering the upcoming plugin or becoming a patron. Your contribution not only accelerates the launch, but also directly influences the innovation in this field. Be a part of this exciting journey today.